So guys, if we talk about the lipid compounds which are clinically very important, which have gained so much medical attention, perhaps no compound will compete with cholesterol. Actually, I must say that there is so much fuss about the negative role of cholesterol as far as our health is concerned, that we underestimate the very important, or perhaps the indispensable role this very unique compound exhibit. It is involved in large of signaling pathways. It is involved in many important structural architectures, formation of the structures. It is involved in performing whole set of functions. But most of the time when we talk about lipids, we talk them with reference to their clinical importance, which is fine, but I think there are also many other important things which we will see in coming lecture, that how diverse reactions and functions this unique compound can perform. The cholesterol, as far as the structure of the cholesterol is concerned, it is made up of a sterol moiety, the ring-like structures, and then the linear hydrocarbon chain. You can see from this structure, very structure shows you that it's a very hydrophobic entity. This molecule is very hydrophobic because it doesn't have any phosphate or any other moiety or component which carries charge. And this is responsible also for the many function or peculiar function cholesterol performs. Some of the major functions: it gives fluidity to the membrane, which makes membrane very fluid in nature, which has its own importance. It's very important thing. It's involved in the formation of bile acids. So bile cannot be formed without the cholesterol, and we will see when we'll be talking about the degradation of cholesterol that how bile is formed from cholesterol. It's a precursor of many steroid hormones like cortisol, like sex hormones. Vitamin D is also formed by cholesterol. The supply of the cholesterol in the body is maintained through many different pathways, through different regulatory mechanisms. First of all, its transportation it is ensured that its transportation is well defined, and so that it can be transported from one part of the body to the other wherever it's needed. Its biosynthesis mechanisms and also its degradation is also very well regulated, so that the body can utilize cholesterol whenever it is needed. Liver plays very important role in the metabolism of cholesterol. Of course, liver plays many important roles in metabolism of a lot of compounds, but specifically for cholesterol also, liver have a very special role to play, and we will see it when we will be talking about the degradation of cholesterol. It is keep in mind that as compared to other lipids, cholesterol is not easily it's not easily digested. It's not something which is modified into smaller constituents to give you energy. It remains most of the time unmodified, or it becomes a part of the bile through its degradation. The hepatic cholesterol or cholesterol present in the liver, it comes from your diet. It also is synthesized in the liver, and also through transportation through the lipoproteins. So the sources of the cholesterol in the liver are the dietary cholesterol, this cholesterol which is synthesized on its own, and the cholesterol which is transported through the agency of lipoproteins. Of course, when we're talking about cholesterol, how it's possible that we don't talk about the medical implications it have? And one of the most severe and important medical implication is, of course, its role in the cardiovascular diseases, because they tend to get accumulated. Excessive cholesterol tends to get accumulated in your arteries, and as a result, plaque is formed, which leads to different sort of diseases like cardiovascular diseases, cerebrovascular diseases, like diseases which are related with the of your cerebral system. The diseases which are, for example, the diseases which are known as cardiovascular diseases, which occur because of the problems in the transportation of blood towards the heart, and then the cerebrovascular diseases which occur because of the problem of the movement of the blood or transportation of the blood towards the brain, and then the peripheral vascular diseases, that is diseases which occur because of this hindrance in the blood flow other than in the brain and the heart. So in general, one of the most important medical significance of the cholesterol metabolism is that it can give rise to problems in the flow of the blood, which can which can be harmful for your brain, for your heart, and of course for your other different peripheral body parts.